How to add business location on Snapchat map. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. Make sure that it is up to date. Tap on the bit emoji option. From here, scroll down until you find the option of Snap Map. Tap on the option and scroll down, select on Suggest a Place. Now to add your business location, write the name of your business, then select a category, address and more to it. Once you have added your location, select a category. If you want to, you can add your website, phone number, hours, attributes and more. Once done, just tap on Submit. Before hitting on the submit icon, don't forget a pin on your map just like me. So what you actually have to do is you have to pin the exact location of your business. Now once it is verified by it, you can tap on the submit button. Isn't it simple? And that is how you'll be able to add your business location on Snap Map. This wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.